Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start your no-bake Nutella cheesecake journey by preparing the delicious crust. In this video, I will show how to make cheesecake Nutella using an easy method. First, crush about 200 grams of digestive biscuits into fine crumbs. Then, mix these crumbs with 80 grams of melted butter until they are fully combined. Press this buttery mixture firmly into the bottom of a 9-inch springform pan. Pop it into the fridge for at least 30 minutes to chill and set while you prepare the filling. Now let's create the luscious Nutella filling. In a large bowl, combine 500 grams of softened cream cheese with 100 grams of powdered sugar and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Beat these ingredients together until the mixture is wonderfully smooth and creamy. Next, gently fold in 200 grams of rich Nutella. Be careful not to overmix. Just combine until the Nutella is evenly distributed, giving it that irresistible chocolate hazelnut swirl. With your crust ready and filling prepared, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the creamy Nutella filling over your chilled biscuit base in the springform pan. Use a spatula to gently spread and smooth the top surface, ensuring an even layer. This step is crucial for a beautiful presentation. Now, the hardest part. Refrigerate your cheesecake for at least 4 hours, or even better, let it chill overnight. This allows it to set perfectly and achieve that delightful, firm texture. Once your cheesecake is perfectly set, it's time for the grand finale. Carefully release it from the springform pan. For an extra touch of indulgence, you can warm a little more Nutella and drizzle it artfully over the top. Feel free to add your favorite garnishes, like a sprinkle of chopped hazelnuts, some elegant chocolate shavings, or even a few fresh berries for a pop of color. Slice into generous portions and savor every bite of your easy, homemade Nutella cheesecake.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.